In this video, you'll learn how to control download permissions in WooCommerce based on the order status. By default, WooCommerce only allows downloads when an order is completed or processing. But in many cases, you may want more control over when customers can access their files. For example, you might want to allow downloads only after manual review, or block access until a specific step in your workflow is completed. Let's see how to do it using the free plugin SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce, then Order Statuses, and create or edit a custom status. For example, you might create a status called Ready for Download. Inside the status settings, you'll find an option to control whether downloads are allowed for that status. If you enable this option, customers will be able to access their downloadable products when the order reaches this status. If you disable it, downloads will remain restricted. This allows you to decide exactly when access is granted, depending on your workflow. For example, you can combine this with internal steps like manual validation, content approval, or payment verification. Once the order reaches the appropriate status, downloads become available automatically. You can also configure automatic notifications, so the customer receives an email when the order changes to this status and knows they can download their files. This gives you much more flexibility compared to the default WooCommerce behavior. Controlling download permissions by order status helps you protect your content and manage access more effectively. That's how you can control download permissions in WooCommerce using custom order statuses.